Hello, welcome back to my channel. I just have a quick video for you guys. It's like a product I really want to highlight because I was so shocked how cheap this sewing kit was. Maybe a lot of people don't sew their own stuff, but I like sewing, especially like buttons and like little rips and tears. This is the best sewing kit I've ever received, and it was like under 20 bucks. So I just really wanted to share and like show you all the things it comes with, like all the different thread colors, like how satisfying it is to see this in color code. Like I was shocked. Like I cannot get over like how many different needles and different cushions it has. Like this is a perfect starter kit. It had 2 sets of scissors, it had freaking buttons. Look at these. I don't even know what you use them for. Half these things I don't even know what I'm going to use them for, but this is like the most professional grade sewing kit I've ever seen in my entire life. Like it just keeps going on. Look at this gold and silver thread. That'll be cool. All these different needles. There's like 30 needles in there. Like it's crazy. And like it seriously does not stop. There's just like so many different other tools you could see here. More pins, like if you didn't even have enough. They have like thimbles and things that also protect your other thimbles that protect your hand. That looks like a ring. I thought that was really cool, besides like, you know, your traditional thimble. So yeah, like I don't know, I was just like blown away about how like huge and major this kit was. I don't know, maybe I'm a weirdo and I'm like a grandma, but yeah, no, I was like super impressed, and I like want to put you guys on. Look at, there's tweezers. There's literally like a mark, like a pen that you can like mark different measurements if you want to actually make your own clothing. So if you want to get even more creative than I do, I highly recommend this sewing kit. So hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah, and if you like this, please subscribe. It would mean the world to me to have your support, and it's only one click of the button for you, and it would motivate me to make more content like this and longer form content as well. Comment if you feel inclined to, anything you want to say, and yeah, if you want to like this video, that would also mean a lot as well. Everyone, I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.